Hello everyone, so today I thought I would shave part of my eyebrows off. I found this little kit at the Dollar Tree. This is a little shaver, and then it also has a disposable mascara one, but the shaver is what I wanted. And I'm at my hotel, so that's why I'm in a weirdly colored place. Anyways, so I hope that this will work. This is this tiny little shaver. I will just use this to brush out my eyebrows. So now I am looking myself in the mirror over here. I just got out of the shower. Okay, so what I'm thinking of doing and what I've done before is I'm just gonna shave that part of my eyebrow off. So basically from the highest point of my arch and down, so it's kind of like half. It might be like a third, more of a third, but that's what I'm gonna do. And this way I can draw it higher if I want to, or just leave it and look like crazy ass. But that's what I'm gonna do. So let us just get to it. So I'm gonna do this side first, and my eyebrows aren't quite the same. So I think I'm gonna go from about here and down. So oh, there we go. Oh, and there's my white hair. I have one white hair on each side. Is that enough? Yeah, I think that's good enough. So yeah, that's about what I'm gonna do on each side here. This way I can just draw the tail up a little bit higher. Now if I don't like it, I will shave more off, but I just figure start with like that half first and go from there. Because I'm still gonna have to draw it on then. Every day. Every day I want to do makeup. Okay. There's my other white hair. I don't know. Yeah, there it is. You see it? Very noticeable, but like when I pluck it, it takes forever to grow back. Okay, so now this one, a little bit more wonky, so I think I'm gonna go right here. Yeah, I'm gonna go right there. And there it goes. Yes. I've seen some people go this way, like against the grain. I don't think you're supposed to do that. I could be wrong, but I think it's probably better to go in the direction that it's growing. That way you don't get ingrown hairs. Yeah, so anyways. Well, that little shaver worked great. Now I'm just gonna kind of clean up the hairs down here. Since I'm already here, I might as well, right? I haven't done any sort of plucking or anything at all in forever. And then I actually need to do the rest of my face too. Shave the rest of my face. Because I like doing that. It seems to help makeup stick better and all that jazz, so. Anyways, okay. So I'm not going to do any makeup tonight. I'm not going to do any makeup tonight, but I will attempt to draw my eyebrows on tomorrow morning, and we will see how it goes. If I don't like it, I'll just let them grow back. Yeah, my goal again is to get more of a, I don't know, get more real estate, as it were. Because this way I can shape them up this way and have more of an angle. So anyways, I will see you tomorrow morning. Goodbye. Okay, so I'm sitting in the bathroom because this has the best lighting in the hotel room, although it's still not very good. I'm going to take this, I don't even know what this is from. I don't know, it's like Wet n Wild or something like that. Elf maybe. It's just for your eyebrows to keep them in place. I'm gonna see if this works. I'm gonna kind of just make them go up. I ended up cleaning up a little bit more off my eyebrows. on the ends just to make it to where they would, I don't know how to explain it. Just to make it to where this outer edge, it wasn't going down. It seemed like they were still going down a little bit. So I just took off just a little bit more on that outer edge. So I realized I don't actually have just a pencil with me, an eyebrow pencil. I do have this LA Girl brow. So I'm just gonna use this and see how it goes. I do also have NYX, but it's like a felt tip pen, and also this Arches and Halos brow stuff, but again, it's like a felt tip pen. Oh man, I am tired. I went to sleep early, but I woke up several times during the night. Man, it sucks when that happens, but what you gonna do? Can't do much. So yeah, I'll definitely have to get like a brow pencil. Well, I have brow pencils. I just need to take them with me. Remember to take them with me. So interesting. Okay. Yeah. Too bad the lighting does. It really does suck everywhere else. So in the room, I mean. So this is just a small pencil brush. It's not the one that I've been using when I've been doing my brows. This little thing actually came with one, but this one's a lot thinner. So that's why I'm using this one. So honestly, I don't know what I'm doing. I haven't done this in so long where I've shaved off my eyebrows, so this is not new, but it's definitely just, yeah, it's been forever since I've done this. And I like being able to do my eyebrows different, obviously, but the problem is, of course, then you actually have to do them every day. Otherwise, it looks a little funny. That's all. But yeah, so it's the morning. I have about an hour before I have to go downstairs to meet the rest of the crew to go to the station. So before anyone asks if you've seen the news, of course I did go to work yesterday in Chicago, but I'm fine. I wasn't there, and yeah, my train left before that happened. That's all I'm going to say. If you know, you know. And I preempted my mom messaging me, like seeing it on the news, but apparently she wasn't watching the news. So she didn't see it, but she was glad that I told her nonetheless anyways. She gets super, super bad anxiety over stuff like that when it's concerning the train, so. Okay, well this is definitely, I think I forgot to lay powder down first, and powder would have helped this look a little better, but I'll try it tomorrow. I'll try it tomorrow and it will be okay. It's just funny how that side turned out a lot darker than this one. I might go even more with the shaving just so I can again do it even higher. But this is, like I said last night, earlier in the video, this is just what I'm starting with. And we can go from there, because once I take away, you can't add back. And I would just have to let them regrow, so yeah, it's okay. Fun times, fun times. Good enough. Good enough. So now this Arches and Halos one, I kind of really like this because this is one of those ones that has the 3 little tips. And I love that. But this pen doesn't seem to work very well all the time. Sometimes it works awesome. And this is one of those times where it's nice for like doing these hairs that I'm missing on the inside corner, but like it's not really good for the rest of the brow. I don't know. I don't know why. Yeah, that's fine. Not the best product, and it could just be that particular one I bought. I don't know. Wow, 6 minutes. This is the NYX one. Snatch and lift. I don't really need to do this because that other thing was so pigmented and dark, but we're just gonna see what this does. If anything, probably nothing. Yeah, not really nothing. That's fine. Whatever. Okay, I'm gonna take this clear gel again and just go over, try and get my hair brows, yeah. My eyebrows to at least stick up a little bit here. Anyways, not the best, but I'm going to work, so that's fine. Anyways, thank you so much for joining me on this little adventure in, yeah, cutting off my eyebrows. Don't forget, I'm a daily uploader. Upload every single day. I like makeup, wrestling, on the Rocky Horror Picture Show. So I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye.